Hi, welcome back to Love Luxury's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my skincare routine, which I have been asked for a number of times. So I've bitten the bullet and I'm going to show you today. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm going to be showing you how I do my skincare routine, and I have two very specific skincare routines. The first is my morning routine and the second is my evening routine. So when I get up in the morning, the very first thing I do is pick up my La Roche-Posay, and this one is called Effaclar, and this is basically a foaming wash mousse that you use on your face, like a gel wash. And I use this with water in the shower. So I use one pump, I wash off the night's residue of products and I get that off first, then I use rinse that off, then I use a second pump, and that is what cleanses my skin for my deep cleanse. And then again, obviously I rinse that off. So that is the very first step in my morning routine. So once I've got out of the shower and my face is still damp, my first go-to product is made by The Ordinary. This is a Deciem brand, and this is hyaluronic acid. So it's hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So I use half of a pipette of this. I've actually nearly run out of this one. So up to about here on the pipette, and I spread that all over my face, my eyes, my neck, absolutely everywhere. I swear by hyaluronic acid, and this is a very affordable product that is widely available to absolutely everyone. You can literally buy it off their website, and this large bottle costs about 10 or 12 pounds, and you can get the smaller ones for about 6 or 5 pounds. So I let that soak in for a few minutes while I'm drying myself off, and I put my deodorant on, and then my next step, and it is a pricey product, so I'm very lucky to be blessed that I can afford to buy these kind of products, but you can always find an alternative on the internet. This is called La Mer, the treatment lotion, and I literally use about 5 drops of this. This one bottle that, as you can see, is nearly finished, literally has lasted me over a year, and it's just another product for hydration. So I put that on my hands, 5 drops, I pat it on all over my face apart from my eyes and my neck and my décolletage, and then that's my second product. Then as soon as I've put that on, I shake this one up. Again, this is another La Mer product, and it is another expensive product, but again, I'm very fortunate that I'm able to afford these things. You can always find yourself an alternative on the market if it's not within your budget range. And this one, again, I've probably had about 6 or 7 months. It lasts a really long time. I swear by it, makes my skin glow. So it's got a lotion and an oil, so it separates. So I shake it up. Again, I put about 5 drops of this on my skin, and this is the infused lotion. Again, this is another hydrating, but it's also a moisturizing product. And then I pat that on all over my neck, my décolletage, even up to my shoulder up here, and all over my face. So for my eyes, at the moment, I'm using La Mer, the Eye Concentrate. Again, I'm very lucky. My husband gifts me some amazing gifts. This does last absolutely ages, and I use the tiniest amount. I literally get my nail and I scoop it up, and that is enough for both eyes. A little trick that I will tell you though, your eye skin is very, very delicate, and the best way to apply your eye creams is with your ring fingers, because they're the weakest fingers. So when you use them, they're being very delicate, and you're not dragging and pulling that you would do if you used any of your other fingers to apply your eye creams. So once those products have soaked in for a couple of minutes while I've been pottering around, my next step is this. It's a dermalogical product, and I absolutely love it. So this is a mid-price range product, and it's called Phyto Nature Firming Serum, and it says Age Smart. So I'm not getting any younger, so I do need to be age smart. And this is a really great serum. It has 2 parts to the pump. One is a bit more creamy and one is definitely an oily serum. You Mix them together in the palm of your hand, and I use in the morning 3 pumps of this all over my face, my neck, my décolletage, again onto my shoulders, and then I let this settle for a minute or two before I move on to my day cream. So I've got 2 options here for you. La Mer, the soft moisturising cream, the moisturising soft cream. I love this. I can't use the ordinary one that they produce. It's too claggy for my skin, makes me break out. I find it is really heavy and oily. This is a godsend from La Mer. Again, I'm very blessed to be able to afford this. My husband gifts me with these lovely packages every once in a while, and this is one of the products that he gifts me quite often, and I absolutely love it. But I do switch things up. I use different products all the time. And the reason I do that is because I like to trick my skin. I don't want it to get too used to products. So another one that's a probably low to mid price range product is this Malin and Goetz, and it's Advanced Renewal Cream. And I basically use this probably most days, and then this one I use occasionally, so I make this one last. And this one is a fantastic day cream, and I find that all of those products that I just mentioned work really well for me having oily skin with medium-sized pores under my makeup, my foundation. They are a really great base for my makeup. And basically I apply a small scoop of this again over my face, my neck, my décolletage up to my shoulders, and I let that soak in. I actually come to work with no makeup on, and I do my makeup at work. By the time that I've got to work, it takes me about 45 minutes once I drop my daughter off. These have set really well on my skin, and my foundation sits really well over the top. So that is my morning routine. So one of the things that I love to use on a daily basis, and I've got loads of them in my house in all different flavors. This is my absolute favorite one. This is a Carmex Strawberry Moisturizing Lip Balm with SPF 15. I put this on my lips so many times a day, and especially while I finished my face routine in the morning, my skincare routine in the morning, and most definitely at night, but I'll talk to you about that now. So I've got home from a long day at work, I'm tired, I'm in the shower or the bath, and I pick up my trusty face wash yet again. This product is fantastic. It removes all of my makeup. I don't have any problem removing my mascaras. It gets rid of absolutely everything. So I use 1 pump and I get rid of all of my makeup, and then I rinse, and again I use a 2nd pump, and that is what gives me my deep cleanse ready for my skincare routine for the nighttime. I cannot emphasize how great this product is. It's so good for people of all ages, all budgets, because if you go to Boots, you can get this on the 2 for 3, so you're essentially getting 1 free, and one of these lasts me between 2 and 3 months. So if you think that you're the only person using it, it may last you a little bit longer, because everybody in my household uses this, my daughter, my husband, myself, and it really is a fantastic product. You'd have to be up on the know of what your skin type is. I would say this is very good for sensitive and oily skins and mid, so people who are a bit of a combination. If you've got dry skin, I wouldn't say so much. I do recommend this. I have recommended this to multiple people, and they always are really appreciative afterwards because it is such a fantastic product. Since I've been using this, I literally have very minimal breakouts, and I do put it down to this and a couple of other products I'll talk about now. So once I've washed my face, I'm again going in with my hyaluronic acid with a slightly damp face. I don't want to over dry my face, and I definitely don't want to be scrubbing it with a towel or anything like that. This hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 is a really great money saver. Like I said already, you can pick this up at a very, very reasonable price. Look at The Ordinary or Deciem online. You can order them, or you can get them from Boots, and most department stores now sell these products. They're absolutely everywhere. So once I've put that in, I let it settle for a few minutes. I dry my body off and I let that soak in. Then I use niacinamide. Now, this product is really good for all over your face, your neck, your décolletage, but it's really my go-to product to prevent me having breakouts. And again, this is very reasonably priced. Again, it's from The Ordinary, as you can see from the packaging. But what's great about it is the price point. So this large bottle is approximately £12. Don't quote me on that, but it's in that region. And for me, one of these bottles will last me at least 2.5 months. So I think to get £6 a month out of your skincare product is really good, especially if it's something that's going to prevent you having breakouts. So I swear by this. Now, I mix this with this Dermalogica Overnight Retinol Repair 1%. This is a very low, weak percentage, but when I use these two products together, I get a fantastically soft skin in the morning. So I would definitely not use these products every single day, and I would not use retinol with any kind of other abrasive product like a vitamin C or with a peel. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. So once I've put those products on, again, I let them settle in, pat them in, and then I have a range of things that I can use. So I really like this Smart Response Serum from Dermalogica. It's really lovely, and it does make your skin super, super soft. And I can use that underneath my then Dermalogica Phyto Nature Firming Serum, or I can just use this one alone. Now, if I've used those products, at night time, I don't tend to use anything else on top. However, if I'm having a day where I know I've not drunk enough water or I've not had enough sleep, I do use an oil. And this one that I'm using at the moment is the Malin Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. I can't tell you what the price is of this one at the moment because it's been such a long time since I purchased this one. I bought a couple and they've lasted me a really long time. But you can find that price out on Google yourself. This is a lovely product. I literally put 6 or 7 drops in the palm of my hand, emulsify it, pat it everywhere, and I go to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I don't feel so dehydrated. So my nighttime eye creams that I use is this one, and this is called Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. And again, this was a gift from my husband, so I'm not quite sure what the retail is, and I think it's one of the mid-range prices. I use this every single night. I've built up to that. I, at the beginning, only used it once a week, then I used it twice a week, and then 3 times a week, and now I'm using it every single day, and I really do like this. It makes my skin very soft and supple, and I don't have any issues using it. But please be careful with retinol products because they can dry your skin out, they can cause irritations. You have to listen to your skin. So I use this product once or twice a week. It's really great for giving you a lovely shine, for closing your pores, and for making your skin feel just absolutely amazing the next day. So this one is by The Ordinary again, and again, it's a very great price point. Now, it's AHA 30% and BHA 2%. So what you do is you cleanse your skin twice, you gently pat your skin dry with a towel, and then you apply this. I apply it in circular motions. I apply one amount. So I avoid around my eye area for obvious reasons. It's far too abrasive, but I also like to avoid around my nose because that's probably the only part of my face that gets dry. And I also avoid my chin because that can also get quite dry as well. So I apply it on the bottom of my chin, my cheeks, over the bridge of my nose, and across my forehead. And then once that's dried in, I apply another layer. So this product lasts me again a really long time, and I leave it then on for 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off with fresh lukewarm water from the sink, and then I go on to apply the rest of my nighttime skincare. I wouldn't use this in the morning, and if I've used this, I definitely wouldn't be using a retinol, and I wouldn't be using a vitamin C. So those are the products that I would avoid if I've used this. So I would skip that, and I would just use like a niacinamide over my hyaluronic acid, and then go on with the rest of my skincare routine. Then my last step for nighttime is applying loads of this on my lips for my 8 hours in bed, if I'm lucky. And I wake up in the morning feeling really moisturized. Now, everybody knows that diet is really important, but for me, what I've learnt over the years is that caffeine, fizzy drinks, tea and coffee do not work for me. So about 15 years ago, I completely cut out caffeine drinks. I don't drink any fizzy drinks. I don't drink tea. I don't drink coffee. I drink herbal teas like peppermint or rhubarb, and I drink tons and tons of water, a minimum of 3 litres of water a day. I swear by that. It's really important for your skin to feel hydrated from the inside out, and water is very, very important. Also, sleep is very important. If you're only getting 5 hours of sleep, you can't expect to look refreshed in the morning. It just won't happen. Sleep is so vital for us to be rejuvenating ourselves and to wake up in the morning feeling young and fresh again. Also, something that I use and I swear by, and it may be out of people's budgets, but if it isn't and you can save up for it, I really love Profilo. Now, it is an injectable and it should be done by a professional. I'm very lucky that I am an aesthetic practitioner and I am qualified to provide these treatments. So I have the products myself, and this works from the inside out. So this goes into the dermal layer of the skin. It's hyaluronic acid based, and what it does is it helps rejuvenate the skin cells and gives a really lovely plumping effect, but it also works to make your skin glow and whitens dark spots, etc. So this is a very good product. I really do swear by it. It does help for ladies of my age, and if you can afford it, I would suggest people do have this every 6 months, and that is something that I do use regularly. It's not a filler as such because it disperses, but it does give you a really lovely glow and a plumping effect. So I just want to say a very big thank you to Ziad London. This is their salon. They very kindly let us film here today. And don't forget to pop in to them for all of your skin and nail and hair needs. They are at number 47 Beauchamp Place, just a stone's throw from Harrods and literally next door to our Love Luxury store. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.